Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean smoke off of your walls. If you've got, candle, maybe there's soot on your walls from the smoke, or maybe you bought a house and the previous owners were smokers and you got a good deal on it because the walls are yellowed. It's not going to be an easy process, and unfortunately, from my experience and from what I've heard from other people, you can't just clean the smoke off the walls. You're going to have to wipe the walls down and disinfect them first and then repaint them. The way that you're going to disinfect them is get a bucket. I use vinegar, a splash of vinegar. If you want to use bleach, just use about a tablespoon of bleach for every gallon of water. So vinegar and water or bleach water. Grab a sponge or a cleaning rag and a mop if you're short like me, so you can actually reach all the way up to the ceiling. So you just want to have your bucket, and I would start at the top and work your way down, obviously, because if you start at the bottom and then you clean at the top, all that residue is just going to run down to the part that you just cleaned. So start at the top with your mop and just clean it. You're going to have to go through all, every space on the wall if you have a house that was previously smoked in or have major smoke damage. But it's easier to do it with a broom, and you just want to go over the wall. This is going to disinfect it really well. When you're done doing that, this may remove some of the paint. If you have certain spots that are dirtier than others, you may have to get at them with a sponge like this, a little more detailing. And like I said, it will probably remove some paint. So you want to have some primer and another bucket of paint ready, so when the walls dry, you can go back and repaint them, and they'll look brand new. You just want to make sure to remove the stain as much as possible, because once you apply the primer and the new paint, it may make the new paint a different color if you don't have the smoke totally removed. Or you may have to put 2 coats of primer to make sure that the color of the smoke doesn't show through and change the color of the paint that you're trying to put back on the walls. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you clean smoke from walls.